Hey YouTube, let me show you how I made my own silicone moldings for tiles like this. Follow me. So this is the original, the genuine, and this is my copy. And to get from here to there, we'll need a silicone mold. And to make this mold, all the ingredients we need are some cornstarch and some sanitary silicone. This is the stinkiest, the cheapest thing you'll find, and it will do. And also some scrapers. So you need a clean surface, and then you mix those two ingredients you have, cornstarch and silicone. First you mix it with scraper, it will be easier, and after that you can use your hands like you kneading some bread dough. I'm spreading some of on my fingers to prevent sticking. So when you get a non-sticking ball like this one, then you take some baby powder and spread it on the stone, and now I'm making the casting for my mold. When you spread it around, turn it around to get it even spread on all corners, like this. And after 24 hours you're ready to get it out. I'm trying slowly to peel off the cast from the stone by prying with my thumb down and with my fingers up, so that it's slowly getting out. And here you can see that it's finally working. Before pouring the cement into the casting, use some water and soap and spray the mold to prevent the bubbles, to create the bubble pockets, the air pockets. And again, after some 10 to 12 hours, I'm peeling away the mold, and now you will see the finished product. I colored the cement with some cement color that you can find on AliExpress, on eBay. So it's getting out now. Here you can see it's a little bit white because of the baby powder, but it will dry off. The texture is, well, exceptional. Here I have another model that I will show you, and that's it for now. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and ask anything you want to know about this. Bye.